wanted to give everybody a few updates in the shop, what we've been working on. It's a Fairmont build that we hope to have done soon. Got the cage, got the floor pan painted this week. Right now, Keaton's up there working on the motor. We're gonna kind of come up here. We're putting a motor plate in it. It'll be a twin turbo, twin 78s, I guess. LT 6.6 motor. We're getting ready to TIG weld this up. And we was up at Lance Drager's at R&D Performance a few weeks ago, put the motor together. And now we're trying to get everything mocked up, get the turbos ready in there. Waiting on a few parts. Cam Motions come on board, helped us out with the cam. Waiting on them to get that up here. Just, you know, a few other little odds and ends. We'll get the turbo kit finished up, and we should be hopefully headed up there to R&D Performance Fabrication, hopefully Labor Day weekend, to get this thing wired, plumbed, and calibrated up there. So that's kind of what's been going on this week here. We got the